Sir, we have a visitor. Visitor? Are you sure? Yes. Yes, a very one. Not for long least. He is a villain. Captain D. Pachimo is here to visit us to do the plan. Or say, thank you, now off me. Oh, where's my hat? Sorry. Thank you for giving back my hat back. And anyhow, I had to say this. What's your name? I am Dr. Fead Rambos the First, and this is my brother, Dr. Fead Rambos the Second. Well, it's nice to meet you two. Thank you for banished Simbad. Banish? I didn't banish him. I told him to run away and never return. Oh, okay, yes I did. Same thing. Oh, and thank you for kill Fossa, your own. I told you never to... Wait, you're a villain too? Yes I am. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. So, what can I do for you, sir? To deal with them for the spies and Simbad and Josh and the Woodpecker, because they're ruined my plans. What? Are you sure? Ruined your plans? Yes. Now, watch this. Ooh, that sounds nice. Wait, is that me on the picture? You'll see. That's Lucius. That's me. There's my cannon. And shoot the Woodpecker. Kill Danny D. Prime. Shoot the spies. Execute Simbad and Josh. And do your speech, and the people will be dead for good. And then Chris McLean will win the race. And Lucius Heinous Evans will win the race. And Chris lose. And that guy right there, he could lose his job. And then the revenge will be ours? Yes. Piece of cake. I had to... yeah, Captain D. Pachimo. Since you betrayed the villain Bass senators for failing you for many times, yes. And to execute the Woodpecker, and yes, we'll do it for you, and we're joining you too. And, yes. Well, good. So, let's get on to business. Come on. Maybe my minions could do it for you. Are you sure? Yeah. Which one to vote, or who wants to go first? Oh, me, I want to go first. Me, I want to go first. Bart, you do not raise your hand. Me? Okay, yes, Mr. Normal. Yeah, thank you. But if you fail, you're erased of the wrath of the Heine. Sir, what do you mean by Heine? You'll see. This! Oh, yeah, wow, that's good. Lick. Hey, there'll be no gates up there. So sit there and let that guy do the job. So, how long is it gonna take? I don't know. Why?
That's crazy. That's very crazy.
How did you know that?
That's another race in seasons?
Why, yes. This will take forever. So, outside of... Oh. Hello. You gonna take your mustache off? I'm stuck. Oh well. It's off. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? Sorry, we gotta go.
That was odd.
I hope so.
Wait, Danakin?
Maybe we should. Just like my son Prime saved together.
He was?
Why, yes. Since I turned the evil and with my master because I killed the own spies.
But why did you do that?
What year? I can't remember.
Oh. So, it looks like Lindsay? Who is that? Is that a ghost? He is Sir Danica Prime. He was dead after the last battle at England. He was?
I heard that, but thank you for knowing for that. But then, I was such a spy, but all of you, good luck.
Well, what's next? Race was gonna start.
And Brazil?
Brazil? Are you sure?
This was on South America. Tell me about it. How long's it gonna take? I don't know, but we'll figure that out. Okay, everyone, listen up. Okay, listen up. I'm just thinking of another plan to do it, but maybe we'll figure it out about this. Oh no, Arg. But come on, it's not that stupid. Why, yes, Arg. Shut up! Captain? What? Are you sure it's not gonna happen at the same bad plans as like what happened last time? We failed the mission. What? Oh no, of course not there. Walter, my favorite pirate warrior? No, it's no big deal. No may make sense. I'll go now. Say, Captain, I have escaped from these guys at London after they left. Oh, good for you. And we have to continue to listen to Lucius. Are you? Well, yes, we haven't called him in months. I'm afraid he's right. Maybe we have to do... But that's stupid. Am I right? No, Heather. Not simply stupid. But whatever. I don't know, but we could try to do another plan as a contract or a handshake ball. I think we can live with that, Arg. Good. Let's go. Wait, what and they, sir? Any question is, but first, what are we going? To Brazil. And find a woodpecker. And the spies. Then, where is it? To Brazil here at South America, of course. Okay. This is crazy. It's crazy. What?
What is it?
I think we have a problem situation. What? Captain D. Pachimo joins Dr. Fead Ramboss the First and the Seconds for trying to kill us and Woodpecker and the others and let Lucius win the race.
Oh no, this is not good.
We're next. But we're not gonna let him do it. Face it, but we are the spies.
And why did you wear Buto Arg's
boots? I got it after his funeral, that's why. Oh. Anything else? But that's stupid, but no, not anything else. Oh. But we can do this. We not let anyone else down. Who's with me?
I am.
Brr.
I am.
I am. Me too. But where's Simbad and Josh? Oh, they're on their way to find his old home at Pearson Village.
He was?
Oh, he is good to go. Oh. So, okay. Okay, Prime, let's do this. Why are you talking yourself, Prime? Ah! Who said that? Oh, it's just only you. Yes, it's only me. And me too. So do I.
Me either. Me too.
Wait. So, what's your name, guy? I don't know. My name is Lorenzo. This is my brother,
Christian, and my little brother, Charlie.
Oh. Well, how, guys, you have been dead?
Anakin, your father killed me. And that guy killed by Captain D, and that guy too. And Robbie was killed by Beardo Walter. Wow.
That's gonna leave a mark. Well, whatever you do, may the spice be with you. Always, you must. Yeah, good luck. So do the others. Okay. Keep it together, Prime. You could do this. Okay. Focus, Prime. You have to do this.